COVID-19 vaccine Q&A with Ontario's health professionals. How do I make my child comfortable about getting the COVID-19 vaccine? Dr. Charlotte Moore Hepburn, Director of Medical Affairs, Canadian Pediatric Society.
I would encourage all parents to talk to their kids. Talk to their kids about what the COVID pandemic has done to their lives and talk to them about the COVID vaccine. Children are amazingly perceptive and incredibly compassionate little people. Most children want to do their part to protect those in their family and those in the community who they love. Children want to get back to the business of being kids. And most children appreciate that in order for this pandemic to come to an end, it's necessary for all of us to roll up our sleeves and get that vaccine. So talk to your kids about their fears, their disappointments, their hopes, and how they feel about the opportunity to get the COVID vaccine.
Learn more at Ontario.ca/COVID vaccine.